Saving 100,000 Dalasi in 36 months may seem like a daunting task, but it's not impossible. Let's find out how. Picture this. You're earning a modest salary of 8,000 Dalasi, but you have ambitions, dreams, and goals that require a significant amount of money. Maybe you're looking to start a business, or perhaps you're planning to buy a piece of land, or simply aiming to have a safety net, a rainy day fund. Here's where the power of saving comes into play. Saving money is a habit, a lifestyle choice that can pave the way for financial independence. It's more than just accumulating money in a bank account. It's about making conscious decisions every day that prioritize your long-term financial health over short-term gains. It's about understanding the value of money, not just its cost. Now, why 100,000 Dalasi? Why not a smaller or larger amount? Well, 100,000 Dalasi represents a significant milestone. It's an amount that can make a real difference in your life. It's not easily earned, but it's not unreachable either. It's a goal that requires commitment and discipline, but it's a goal that's worth the effort. Imagine the sense of achievement when you reach that goal. Imagine the freedom of being able to make choices without constantly worrying about money. That's financial independence. It's a state of being where you're in control, not your circumstances, not your debts, but you. And that's a powerful place to be. But it's not just about independence. Saving 100,000 Dalasi for the first time in your life is a big milestone in your financial life. It also boosts your self-confidence. It's a tangible proof of your ability to set a target and hit it. It's a testament to your discipline, your perseverance, and your ability to make smart financial decisions. It's a confidence that spills over into other areas of your life, reinforcing your sense of competence and mastery. So, the question is not whether you can save 100,000 Dalasi in 36 months. The real question is, are you ready to start the journey towards financial independence and self-confidence? Achieving a savings goal of 100,000 Dalasi for the first time in our life can significantly impact our self-confidence, reinforcing our sense of competence and mastery over our finances. The first step towards achieving our financial goal is budgeting and tracking our expenses. Picture this: your monthly income is a pie. To make the most out of this pie, you need to divide it wisely, ensuring each slice serves a specific purpose. Let's start with the largest slice, which is 25% of your income. This should be allocated towards your rent or accommodation. It's crucial to secure a clean, comfortable space that cultivates a positive mindset and boosts your confidence. Next, we have another 25% slice for feeding and transportation. Maintaining a healthy diet and ensuring reliable transportation are essential to your daily activities. Fail to maintain these, and you might find your finances drained by unforeseen medical expenses or travel disruptions. Now let's talk about lifestyle. 20% of your income should be set aside for your wants. This includes anything that brings you joy and fulfillment, and even family obligations. The final slice, the largest one at 35%, is for your savings. That's right, each month, you should be setting aside 2,800 Dalasi towards your 36 months goal of 100,000 Dalasi. At this point, you might be thinking, that's a lot of money to save each month. Yes, it is. But remember, this is serious business. It's about creating a secure financial future for yourself, and that requires sacrifice and discipline. This is where tracking expenses comes into play. By keeping a record of every Dalasi spent, you can spot patterns, identify areas where you might be overspending, and make necessary adjustments. It's like being a detective in your own financial mystery, finding clues in your spending habits and using them to solve the case of the disappearing income. It's a challenge, but one that brings great rewards. Remember, a successful budget includes all your income and expenses and allows for savings. It's a tool that gives you control over your money, a roadmap guiding you towards financial success. So start budgeting and tracking your expenses today. It's the first step towards your goal of saving 100,000 Dalasi in 36 months. Now, let's talk about the hard truth about saving money. As we navigate the path towards our goal of saving 100,000 Dalasi in 36 months, we must acknowledge that it won't be easy. It's like walking on a tightrope, where every step requires balance, focus, and unwavering determination. Yes, there will be times when the rope seems too thin, the wind's too strong, and the distance to the other side too far. There might be days when it feels impossible to set aside the designated 35% of your income, when unexpected expenses come up, or when the allure of immediate gratification tempts you to stray from your budget. But here's the thing. The journey towards saving a significant amount like 100,000 Dalasi is not just about the destination. It's also about the lessons you learn along the way, about budgeting, prioritizing, and making smart financial decisions. It's about developing a discipline that goes beyond finances, a discipline that can be applied to other aspects of life. Remember, all great achievements require time and sacrifice. Think about the most successful people you know or have heard of. Many of them didn't start with a silver spoon. They started with a dream, a goal, and the will to work hard and make sacrifices to reach that goal. So when the going gets tough, remind yourself of why you started this journey. The goal of saving 100,000 Dalasi is not just about the money. It's about the financial independence it brings, the self-confidence it fosters, and the freedom it provides to pursue your dreams. The hard truth about saving money is that it's hard, but it's also true that it's rewarding. Every Dalasi saved is a step closer to your goal. And with each step, you're not just moving towards financial independence, you're also building a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. Yes, saving money can be hard, but the rewards are worth the effort. Let's take some inspiration from those who have achieved financial success. Picture this. A young man from the bustling streets of Banjul, the capital city of the Gambia. With a meager monthly income and a family to support, he was just another face in the crowd. But he had a dream of financial independence. He started by saving a small portion of his income every month, gradually increasing it as his income grew. Fast forward to today, he owns a successful grocery store in the heart of the city, and his story stands as an emblem of determination and financial discipline. Now let's traverse to the serene town of Brikama. There lived a woman, a school teacher, who despite her modest salary had a vision of owning a house. She started saving every Dalasi she could, even if it meant cutting back on some of her wants. Her dedication bore fruit when, after years of disciplined saving, she finally bought a plot of land and built her dream home. And then there's the story of a group of market women in Serakunda. They decided to pool their resources and started a savings group. Each month, they would contribute a fixed amount to this group fund. The accumulated amount would then be given to one member on a rotational basis. This innovative approach not only helped them save, but also created a support system for each other during tough times. Today, they are proud owners of their stalls in the market, and their unity and financial discipline have inspired many others to follow suit. These success stories aren't just about financial triumphs. They are stories of ordinary people, like you and me, who took that first step towards setting a financial goal. They are stories of discipline, determination, and the power of saving. Remember, their success started with the first step of setting a financial goal. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying this content. Now that you know how to save 100,000 Dalasi in 36 months, it's time to start your savings journey with any bank or microfinance in the Gambia. The key to a successful savings journey is to start early. Starting early gives your money more time to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. It's a bit like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow and bear fruit. Same goes for your savings. The sooner you start, the more your money will grow. Another crucial element of a successful savings journey is consistency. It's not about saving a large sum of money all at once, but about saving a little bit consistently over time. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. It's about persistence and determination, not speed. So, commit to saving a set amount every month, no matter how small, and stick to it. Over time, these small amounts will add up to a significant sum. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when the goal seems far away. One way to stay motivated is to celebrate small victories along the way. Every time you reach a milestone, no matter how small, celebrate it. This will keep you motivated and focused on your goal. Another tip to stay motivated is to visualize your goal. Imagine what it would feel like to have 100,000 Dalasi in your bank account. What would you do with it? How would it change your life? Visualizing your goal can make it feel more real and attainable, and can motivate you to keep going. Finally, remember that it's okay to make mistakes and face setbacks. They are part of the journey. What's important is to learn from them and keep going. Don't let them discourage you or make you give up on your goal. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your savings journey today and secure your financial future. It's never too late or too early to start saving. Every Dalasi counts. So take that first step today and set yourself on the path to financial freedom.